Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited. We're going to install a bamboo floor glue down in this house. We're going to show you the process of it. Alright, so now that our glue has set for a little while, we're going to start installing our pattern. For those of you that have done floors before, you know how much of a pain in the neck it is to try to hammer the stains there. We're going to use this expansion tool to keep our gap where it needs to be. We're going to give it a 1/2 inch gap. Okay, 1/2 inch gap. And then close this gap over here. Most people use cut off a piece of this and use it to hammer with. Oh. Got this little washer right here. It comes in for all kinds of different profiles of flooring. You see? Whatever profile, this tool has it. And then you can just use that to bang your floor. Try not to get glue on you. Okay, so we'll start running into these best little gaps right here. This clamp. Help you tighten up. Here. That gap closed in. Leave that right there.